Humming's an instinctive sound healing practice. It's like an internal sonic massage. It actually massages the body from the inside out. And in order to hum properly, the nasal cavity is vibrating. One actually can't hum when you plug your nose, so that's a good little test. Humming is one of the most powerful natural abilities we possess to help us self-heal and bring inner balance. I'm referencing the book, The Humming Effect, Sound Healing for Health and Happiness by Jonathan and Andy Goldman. Its marvelous beneficial effects have been validated. Humming promotes physical health, but also happiness and a general sense of well-being. Hum for a minimum of 5 minutes. That's enough time to generate an effect in your body. Slow-paced humming allows blood pressure to decrease along with a slight decrease in heart rate. So how that works is it helps activate your vagus nerve so that your body switches from that fright back to rest and digest. And stress is just a huge problem in so many of our lives. Humming has a number of beneficial therapeutic effects. It increases the oxygen in our cells, and increased oxygen helps any malady, any and all maladies. So think of it that way. Increased lymphatic circulation. You get rid of those bodily toxins through the lymphatic system that's responsible for circulation and filtering of the lymph. The fluid that drains also transports white blood cells to and from the lymph nodes, and it enhances our immune system. It lowers the blood pressure and the heart rate. It increases levels of melatonin. That's a hormone that is associated with circadian rhythms, functions as synchronizer of our biological clock and a free radical scavenger and an antioxidant. It reduces levels of the stress-related hormones. It releases endorphins. It's a powerful neurotransmitter that blocks pain and contributes to feelings of pleasure and euphoria. Releases oxytocin. That's the hormone produced by the hypothalamus and stored and secreted by the pituitary gland. It's often called the trust hormone or the love hormone. Facilitates an empathic bonding feeling between people. It increases levels of nitric oxide that cause vasodilation or widening of the blood vessels. That increases blood flow and decreases the blood pressure. The vibration in the nasal cavity produces the nitric oxide, and this opens up the sinuses. The next time you have a stuffy nose, just hum for a few minutes to help open up the sinuses. See how that works. There's physics in sound. Everything is in a state of vibration. Each organ, bone, and tissue in our body has a resonance or a natural vibrational state. When an organ is unhealthy or it changes its natural vibratory state, and then the body becomes imbalanced. It's in a state of dissonance or disharmony. So when a body is vibrating out of its healthy resonance, it's vibrating out of tune and out of ease. And we say the body is diseased. So the basic principle is to restore the diseased part back into a state of healthy resonance. You can also find vibrations to help disintegrate whatever pathogen or energy is causing harm to the body. And some of these same principles are used in a tool I often use to help clients, the Solex AO scan. I offer scans and reports that effortlessly promote wellness to help find the root cause so you can begin your healing journey. And you can contact me for my website if you're interested in that. So before you start humming, this is a toning exercise to start feeling the vibrations in your body. And this is toning, not humming. It's 3 different vowel sounds. And it's not humming because if you plug your nose, you can still make the same sound. So the first one is O, then ah, then E. So O, make that deep sound and become aware of where the sound is vibrating. It's vibrating in your throat and you can feel it in your below your abdomen. So put your hands there and feel for that. And then do ah. Become aware of that sound vibrating in the throat and then the upper chest. And E, become aware of the sound in your throat, and then put your hand on the top of your head to feel that vibration. Now to start humming, you can use Om or the word hum. The Om is considered the primordial sound of creation. And the hum works too. What you're looking for is that sound. And you want to keep your jaw relaxed. Teeth can be gently touching, and I feel it's important to have the tongue touching the roof of the mouth somewhere. This completes an electrical circuit. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Take a few slow, deep belly breaths. You don't want to be raising your shoulders. You want your belly to be going in and out. And this will release any stress or tension. And you want to gently hum. You can use Om or the word hum, and it doesn't have to be loud. Hum in a monotone for as long as is comfortable with your breath. Take another diaphragmatic breath and then hum again. And keep doing this for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, do a little relaxation. And also take stock of where you were feeling those vibrations. And then the next 5 minutes, do grounding. Wiggle your toes, feel your feet, get that energy down on the ground. And there are also other exercises in the book too. So when you've completed that, take a moment to feel and note what you experienced. Do you feel more relaxed and balanced? And you want to hum with specific intention rather than simply humming without awareness. The most important aspect of the healing nature of sound is the frequency with intention. So consider humming as a vibration tool to help bring your body back into balance, to care for body, mind, spirit.